it's known. Jesus He makes us free. Jesus makes us been searching for